Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about nth term of an AP. As we know that the general form of the AP is like this. Okay children, now this is what? First term, this is second term, this is third term. Now look the connection between the general form and this A1, A2, A3. When we are writing third term, then we have 2D. When we are writing second term, we have 1D. It means second term means only 1D. That is D less than this term. This is third term, so 1 less than 3. That is 2D. So in the same way, when we are writing the 10th term, so we will write A plus. How many D's? 1 less than 10. That is 9D. In the same way, when we are writing 100th term, then we will write A plus 1 less than 100. That is 99D. So, in the same way, when we are writing some unknown term, that is nth term, or you can say an, then the term will be what? A plus. How many D's? 1 less than n. So, we will write n minus 1 into D. So, children, this is the formula for calculating the nth term of an AP. With the help of this, we can find any term. If the AP is given, so with the help of that we will find A, D, N is given. So with the help of all these three we will find An. So this is the formula to calculate the nth term of an AP. Now let us discuss some questions of exercise 5.2. Come to question number 3. In question number 3, we have to find the missing terms. I am considering second and fifth part. Second part is, this is missing, then 13, then missing, then 3. Now, look children, this AP has 4 terms. First term is missing, second term is given, third term is missing, fourth term is given. So we have this second term and this is fourth term. So we can say second term is 13 and fourth term is 3. Now what is second term? Second term means A plus, the D is what? 1 less than 2, that is D. यहाँ 2 है तो only 1D. इसमें कितना होगा? A plus फोर्थ टर्म है तो 3D. एक D कम. Now simplify these two equations and then find the value of A and D. We can use substitution, elimination, any method, cross multiplication method, as we have discussed in chapter number 3. So simply subtract these two. So we will get A plus 3D equals to 3 and A plus D equals to 13. So when we subtract, D and D cancel out. This is 2D and this is what? Minus 10. So D is minus 5. Now when D is minus 5, we will put this value in first. So we will get A equals to what? 13 plus 5, that is 18. So A is 18, or you can say the first term is 18. So this is 18. Now this is third term. So what is third term? Third term means what? A plus 2D. What is A? A is 18. 2 times what is D? D is minus 5. So 18 minus 10. This is 8. Now come to fifth part. In fifth part we have first term missing, then 38, then 3 terms are missing, then minus 22. Now in this question, this is second term, this is first term. A1, this is A2, A3, this is A4, this is A5, and this one is A6. So we have given second term and sixth term. So we will write the second term is 38 and sixth term is minus 22. Now the same method we will apply as we applied in part 2. Second part में जो method use किया वही method हम use करेंगे. So in place of A2 we will write what? A plus D. This is 38 first equation. This is A plus 5D equals to minus 22. This is second equation. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2 and find the value of A and D. So simply subtract. So A and A will cancel out. So when we subtract this first from the second, so I am writing here, this is 38, subtract A and A cancel. This is 4D and this is minus what? 60. So D is what? Minus 15. Okay children? Now put this value of D in first equation. So when we put the value of D, we will get A minus 15 equal to 38. So A is 38 plus 15 and it is 53. So this first term is 53. Now D is what? Minus 15. So when we subtract 15 from this, we will get 38. Now again, directly you can write these 3 terms. Subtract minus 15 because we are adding D in the second term. Then we will get the third term. So indirectly we can say that we are subtracting this 15 from the number 38, that is second term. So what we will get? We will get 23. Again we will add D to this term. इसमें D ऐड करेंगे. D कितना है? Minus 15. तो 23 minus 15 कितना हो जाएगा? This is what? 8. Again add D to this term, we will get the next term. इसमें D ऐड करेंगे, next term आएगी. D कितना है? Minus 15. तो हम लिखेंगे 8 plus minus 15. ऐड कर रहे हैं लेकिन वो माइनस का नंबर है तो 8 minus 15. What we will get? Minus 7. In this way, third, fourth and fifth terms are 23, 8 and minus 7. Now, come to children fifth question. In fifth question, we have find the number of terms of the AP. We have to find number of terms. And the AP is what? 18, 15 whole 1 by 2, 13 and last term is minus 47. So the AP is given and we have to find number of terms. How many terms are there in this AP? इस AP में कितनी terms हैं? क्या given है? सबसे पहले वो लिखिए. A कितना है? 18. फिर difference second term minus first term 15 whole 1 by 2 minus 18. 18 में से 15 and half को माइनस करेंगे. कितना बचेगा? 2 and half. और प्लस या माइनस? माइनस. माइनस 2 and half. Simply this is minus 5 by 2. and what is this? This is last term means an minus 47. तो आपके पास क्या है? an है, b है, a है, तो इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे. an आपके पास है, a है, d है, क्या फाइंड करेंगे? n फाइंड करेंगे. तो we will use this formula. Why? Because an is given. जब an दिया है तो an का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. We will write an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. An is what? Minus 47. An means the last term, that is minus 47. And a is what? 18. N minus 1. And always write this d in the bracket. Whether it is positive or negative. हमेशा ब्रैकेट में लिखिए. कभी मिस्टेक होगी नहीं. Otherwise कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक डेफिनेटली होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस. 18 को उधर लेफ्ट में ले जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा minus 47 minus 18. दिस इज n minus 1 and minus 5/2 and this becomes what? How much? Minus 65. This is n minus 1 and minus 5/2. Now transfer this on the left hand side. तो ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई में जाएगा और minus 5 डिवाइड में. So we will get what? N minus 1 equals to what? Minus 65 and this is minus 2/5. Minus and minus become plus and this is 13. So we get 26 n minus 1. So simply n equals to 26 plus 1, that is 27. It means in this AP there are 27 terms. Okay children? Now come to question number 11. In question number 11, we have which term of the AP is given, that is 3, 15, 27, 39 like this. Which term of the AP this will 132 more than the 54th term? इस AP की कौन सी टर्म 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगी? इस AP की कौन सी? जब भी क्वेश्चन आता है which term, तो we assume that it is nth term. कौन सी टर्म? nth term. तो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? Which term means nth term is what? More, ज्यादा है. किससे? 54th टर्म से. तो which term means nth term. nth term 54th टर्म से ज्यादा है. कितनी ज्यादा है? 132. तो ये कम है, इसमें आप ऐड कर दीजिए 132 तो ये इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो दिस इज द कंडीशन विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू राइट द values or the question in the symbolic form. स्टेटमेंट को सिंबल्स में चेंज कीजिए, नंबर्स में चेंज कीजिए. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम दिस AP, A is what? 3 and D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. A पता है, D पता है, वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए. तो इससे क्या आएगा? Which term means n. कौन सी टर्म आएगी? तो दिस an is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. ये 54th टर्म का मतलब क्या होगा? A plus 53D and this is 132. Now A and A cancel out. What is D? A की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी इसकी. Now directly put the value of D. D is what? 12. n minus 1 into 12, 53 into 12 प्लस 132. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और ऐड करेंगे. तो जब इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप तो ये आएगा 636 और इसमें 132 ऐड करेंगे और जब 132 ऐड करेंगे तो 768. तो दिस इक्वल्स टू 768. सो वी विल राइट n minus 1 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 768 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट? 12. 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 12 5 जा 60, 12 6 जा 72. तो 12 6 जा 72, बचा 4, 12 4 जा 48. So n minus 1 equals to 64 and this implies that n equal to what? 64 plus 1, that is 65. So we can say that 65th term of this AP is 132 more than its 54th term. एक क्वेश्चन और डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 जो है, in that question find the 20th term from the last of the AP. एंड से पता करना है. AP is given 3, 8, 13 and last term is 253. अगर बोलेंगे स्टार्टिंग से करो तो डायरेक्टली आप ये पता है, डी पता है और इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे और आप फाइंड कर लेंगे 20th टर्म. लेकिन क्वेश्चन क्या है? फाइंड द 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट. स्टार्टिंग से नहीं करना, आपको लास्ट से करना है. तो वेरी सिंपल, आप इस एपी को चेंज कर दीजिए, इसका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दीजिए. तो इसको जब हम चेंज करेंगे तो इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, फ्रॉम लास्ट 253 एंड दिस इज 1383. पहले एपी थी, अब भी एपी है. चेंज क्या हो गया? फर्स्ट टर्म चेंज हो गई, कॉमन डिफरेंस चेंज हो गया. हमको फाइंड कहां से करना है? 20th टर्म लास्ट से फाइंड करना है, इसलिए हमने एपी को चेंज कर दिया. अब हम वही फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे स्टार्टिंग वाला. लास्ट से आप इधर आइए या फिर यहां से यहां जाइए, एक ही बात है. तो हमने एपी को ही ऑल्टर कर दिया, चेंज कर दिया. फर्स्ट टर्म को लास्ट और लास्ट को फर्स्ट कर दिया. अब हम इसी फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे और स्टार्टिंग से 20th टर्म निकालेंगे. तो ऑटोमेटिकली दैट विल बी द 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड. नाउ इन दिस एपी दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, means A is what? 253. Now what is common difference? यहाँ तो कुछ है नहीं टर्म, आप इनको देख लीजिए. 3 minus 8 कर दीजिए या 8 minus 13 कर दीजिए. तो I am subtracting 8 from 3. So we will get -5. This is common difference. This is first term. So we will use the same formula. So we can write an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now which term we have to find? 20th term find करनी है. तो n की वैल्यू पता है आपको 20. तो a20 कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा a20 is what? a plus यहाँ 20 लिखेंगे, 20 minus 1 is what? 19d. Now what is a? A is 253. So we will write 253 plus 19. And what is d? D is -5. So the answer is 253. And this is minus 95. When we subtract 95 from 253, we will get what? 158. So children, this is the 20th term from the end.